Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of Burrata cheese. Whether you're a cheese aficionado or just someone looking to add a touch of indulgence to your diet, you're in for a treat. Burrata cheese is about to reveal its creamy secrets, and we're here to uncover the fantastic health benefits it brings to your table. From protein-packed bites to bone-loving goodness, Burrata cheese has more to offer than meets the eye. So grab your appetite and a curious spirit, because we're about to explore the delectable and nutritious world of Burrata cheese. First and foremost, Burrata cheese is a protein powerhouse. It might look indulgent, but it's a source of quality protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscles, making Burrata a tasty option for anyone looking to support their active lifestyle. Are you prone to feeling hungry soon after a meal? The protein in Burrata can help curb those cravings and keep you feeling satisfied, which is great news for those aiming to manage their appetite. Proteins are like the building blocks of life, and Burrata cheese adds a flavorful twist to your protein intake. Whether you're an athlete or just someone aiming to stay strong, this cheese can be a delicious addition to your protein sources. Did you know Burrata cheese isn't just delicious, it's a source of calcium, the mineral your bones adore. Calcium is crucial for maintaining strong bones and teeth, making Burrata a delectable addition to your bone-friendly diet. Calcium-rich foods like Burrata can be your allies in promoting optimal bone growth and development. Calling all energy enthusiasts. Burrata cheese is here to give you a boost of vitamin B12. This vitamin plays a key role in energy production and maintaining a healthy nervous system. But wait, there is more. Burrata cheese is more than just a tasty treat. It's a source of healthy fats. These fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, can contribute to heart health and overall well-being. Research suggests that including sources of healthy fats in your diet might help reduce the risk of heart disease. Burrata's good fats can be part of your heart-healthy eating plan. As you savor the creamy goodness of Burrata cheese, remember to enjoy it in moderation. While it brings healthy fats, it's also calorie-dense. What's more, some versions of Burrata cheese are made with live cultures, which can introduce beneficial bacteria into your gut. These probiotics support a balanced gut microbiome, which is key for digestive health. Maintaining a balanced gut environment is essential for overall well-being. Probiotics in Burrata cheese might contribute to digestive comfort and a happier tummy. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Lastly, remember Burrata cheese isn't just a delightful treat, it's a canvas for your culinary imagination. From appetizers to main courses, Burrata's creamy texture can add a touch of luxury to any dish. Whether you're pairing Burrata with fresh tomatoes, drizzling it with balsamic reduction, or sprinkling herbs on top, the possibilities are as vibrant as your imagination. And there you have it, food enthusiasts, a delectable journey through the health benefits of Burrata cheese. We are sure Burrata cheese has certainly proven itself as a versatile and nutritious culinary gem. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.